but this area here.
Okay.
And you're growing. And this is now the effect of your misalignment. You are scoliotic. This is how crooked is your spinal column. Oh? When you start here, so, now, the spinal column will be operated. You are lying there. We will realign the ribs here, the frontal and your groin. Then after that, after 2 or 3 minutes, we will be back to show that it has been strengthened. Plus. Everyone. Straight. This is now straight, no? Kanina, this is the right. Crooked. This is a crooked spinal column.